Struggling with long division? You're not alone. Today, you'll learn the bus stop method, a clear, step-by-step way to divide any number. Let's get started. Long division can feel overwhelming, but the bus stop method breaks it into tiny, logical steps. No mental gymnastics required. 4 steps, repeated: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Think of it like a rhythm, soon it'll feel automatic. Say it with me. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Let's divide 648 by 3. Write the divisor outside the bus stop and the dividend inside. Start with the first digit. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Write 2 above the bus stop. Simple, right? Multiply your answer, 2, by the divisor 3 to get 6. Subtract it from the first digit. We've got 0 left. Bring down the next digit, 4. Now we work with 0, 4. 0, 4 divided 3 is 1. Multiply, subtract, bring down the 8. Now divide 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Done. 648 divided by 3 equals 216. Let's double check. 216 times 3 equals 648. Perfect. So, here's a bus stop cheat sheet. Just divide, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat until every digit's done. You're now a division pro. You've mastered the bus stop method. For more real-world math hacks, hit subscribe. You're unstoppable.